So I'm down at Carolina Gardens and wanted to do a video. Looks like they are going to be developing the land across the street first, and other than the models will be on this side of the street, on the east side of the property, but this road stops and it doesn't go any further. I know the Renown was one of the ones that you were looking at. They do have the model here. It's I have a 3-car garage. I wanted to just see if we can go in and see a little bit about what's going on in here. I apologize for jumping around. So it's covered front porch. Walk in, this one actually has the second floor. There's going to be a closet and half bath and a bedroom, a fairly decent closet here, and then over here we're going to have, this one will have its own ensuite bathroom, which is kind of nice downstairs. A lot of times they have it where it's kind of a shared thing. So this room is, my guess would be this is probably 11 by 11. It's on its own little hallway. But, you know, it's not bad. There's the stairs. So they have the upstairs in. Nice and open up there. This would be, this next room is going to be the flex room or the dining room. It's a fairly decent dining room. It's got to be at least, that's close to 12 foot deep. And then putting the fireplace in this one. A nice covered front porch, a dining area. I know you can't really tell, but the kitchen is kind of interesting. The kitchen has kind of a little cutout right in here that's kind of, there's a wall here too, so I'll try and help. This little area right here is kind of an interesting area. I don't know exactly how that fits in the floor plan. I'm standing in front of the island. I know it's kind of hard, but I wanted to give you an idea of what it looks like. They've extended the patio and covered this part and probably screened that part in. And they put the 3-piece sliders here. Those look to be about 30-inch pieces there. So they have a 3-piece slider that'll go all the way back over here to open it up. So I know that's going to be a screened-in porch. I know in Florida they actually take this corner out. And then this one, on this side, they have just a big, that's got to be probably 3 feet. Moves over so it really opens it up. There's a little pad, nice flat backyard. The master's off of the kitchen. So in here, got the master bedroom, nice windows. What I can tell you is that is one huge closet. My gosh, I don't know how big this closet is, but that closet's probably 11 foot deep. That is really, really big. And kind of a little linen closet here. Putting the shower in, not putting the tub. They didn't build a big shower, and they're not even showing the curbless shower in this one. 2 sinks. Maybe a vanity area there. There's 2 sinks. Toilet room. They're doing 36-inch doors. Yay, Webb, you finally got that message. And another closet. That's really bizarre. So there's a closet here. I would have thought that went to the laundry room, but it does eventually. There's I don't know if you can see this, but there's actually another closet right here, and this is kind of like a little hallway pass through. Well, this is a big closet, and that was a big closet. You can almost have it as a big sitting room. And then it goes through to the laundry room. I have to admit, this is one of my favorite features because I have gotten kind of spoiled. I like the idea of being able to have a laundry room here. The panel is there, and then there's this right here. Looks like it could be a nice storage or a drop zone. And then on the back hallway here, we have another bedroom with its own bathroom. This one has a fairly good sized closet and a bathtub in here. So all the bedrooms in this particular model are all en suite. That's an amazing little feature there. It does have the 3-car garage. Has a drop zone here. I'll step back here. There's kind of a drop zone there inside the door. The garage, the 2-car part of the garage is even deeper. Has like a setback where you can put your trash cans or put a workshop there. And then of course we have a whole nother bay over here. And I'm pretty sure you guys don't need that second floor because this house is huge. I'm not sure. This is huge. They've got this big extra in the kitchen, and then this here is a pantry. I'm pretty sure that's the pantry. So this is a fairly good size plan without even the second floor. You can see that's all the heat duct work coming in up here. I'm going to stop and I'm going to do a video of the more wood because I see that was the plan around the corner. So I'm going to walk through that one because I know that was another one that you were looking for. So I'm going to stop this one now and then I'll do the more wood.